Thursday. Okay, so today is Thursday. Here we have, we're going to review review equations. Your homework is all. If the sub leaves a positive note, you'll get a homework pass when I come back, and you'll also earn a movie day for Friday. That's if the sub leaves a positive note on Thursday, you'll be rewarded on Friday. All missing assignments must be turned in tomorrow, Friday. Okay, everything's due, so I have enough time to grade everything. Okay, you have 2 worksheets, so pause the video if you don't have the 2 worksheets. If you have the 2 worksheets, I'm going to go over how to do them real fast. This is the first worksheet, and then the yellow one's the second worksheet. Or make sure you upload this to Canvas before the bell rings. Everything closes at the bell. Okay, we'll start off with this one. Okay, so all you do is you're just decoding. The beaker, which is there, is the letter I, so you just put I. The light bulb, which is there, is letter A, and so on. Okay, it's simple code. Okay, stop. You can come back to this later. Okay, turn the paper over. This one you're going to match the inequality with the graph. Inequalities with the graph. So let's look at number 1. So number 1, does it have that extra equal to part? Nope. So we know that it's going to be an open circle. Now this inequality is pointing to the left. So I'm looking for an open circle that is pointing to the left on number 1. If I see letter H, it's not on number 1, it's on -2, so I know that's wrong. Letter Y, it has a closed circle. I'm not looking for a closed circle, so I know that's wrong. Letter S, it's on -2, don't like it. Letter I is on 1, ooh, I like it. But look, it's a closed circle. I'm not looking for a closed circle, so I know I is wrong. Let's look at letter D. Is it an open circle? Yes. Is it on number 1? Yes. Is it pointing to the left? Yes, it is. So I know that number 1, the correct letter is letter D. So I'm going to write the letter D next to number 1. And then at the bottom, where I see a number 1, I'm going to put the letter D. And there's 2 times that I see the number 1. Maybe there's more. So you're going to repeat the letters. Every time you see a number 1, the letter is D. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2. It has an equal to part at the bottom, which means that it's going to be closed, and it's also pointing to the left. So I'm looking for a closed circle on number 1 that's pointing to the left. Okay, so let's look. Again, this one's on -2, don't like it. This one's on 1, that's good. It's closed, good, but it's pointing to the right. I'm not looking for it to be to the right. I'm looking for it to be to the left. Letter S, -2, nope. I need -1. I need 1. Letter I, oh, it's on 1. Is it closed? Yes. Is it pointing to the left? Yes. So it fits all the criteria that I need. So number 2 would be the letter I. Maybe I could also cross them out here so it's less confusing later on. So whenever I see a number 2, I'm going to put the letter I. I see 1 here. Not sure if there's another one. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing for this side. I'm going to give you a free answer. On the second part here, number 14, not equal to, not equal to. So the correct answer for that one would be the letter P, not equal to. Notice on letter P it's shaded both ways, but it has an open circle on 0. Okay, so number 14, the letter is P. All right, let's look at the yellow one. So stop and let's do a couple problems on the yellow one so we're all A-okay on this. Super easy equations. So number 1, let's focus on number 1. Let's zoom in. Okay, we're going to draw our bars. Okay, there it is. Draw the bars. Which number do I move first? Yes, the 1. So I'm going to -1, -1. 10 minus 1 is 9, is equal to 9c. How do I move the 9? Yep, by dividing by 9. Dividing by 9. So c is equal to 1, okay, because 9 divided by 9 is 1. So I clearly see the work, and I clearly see the answer, because what does Miss Emily grade? The work. So make sure we do that. All right, let's jump down to number 7. Let's jump down to number 7. I actually wrote here, move the 4 first. So you see how it's on the bottom and it has a big line? That means we have to move it first. So this means dividing by 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 4. We're going to multiply by 4 here. That cancels this out. I'm left with n minus 31 is equal to, what's 2 times 4? 8. Very good. The last number I have to move is a 31. How do I move it? Plus 31, right? Add 31 on both sides. What's 8 plus 31? That's right, 39 is equal to n. Okay, so we're going to show our work. I did number 6 for you, so we don't need to do anything for number 6. The back side, on number 3, you're going to move the 3 first on number 3. Now you can't see it, but you're listening to me. On the back side, side 2, on number 3, move the 3 first. And on number 8, move the 8 first. No, move the 9. On number 8, move the 9 first. Okay? Super easy. So turn in everything before the bell rings. It's worth a lot of points. Okay, so you're going to, if the sub leaves a positive note for Thursday, you get a movie day. If not, you'll get a really hard worksheet worth even more points. Okay? So be good. Give you a homework pass and a movie for Friday. The homework pass I'll give to you on Monday. We're going to collect 2 homework assignments here. Collect 2 homework here. Okay, the one from Wednesday and the one from Thursday. You should have your blue paper. Keep your blue paper for Friday. All right? Any questions, email me. I'll see you guys